If you're not here, you're missing where the future is being built.
It's like having a front row seat to the future.
Where vision meets engineering and innovation becomes reality.
Potential of the change everything.
Welcome to the prostep ivip Symposium 2026, April 14th to 15th, Cap Europa, Frankfurt.
We have the solutions.
The global hotspot for the software-defined industry.
Very useful for me.
Explore the power of AI, digital twins, systems engineering, and PLM standardization.
It's a great event.
With industry leaders, scientists, and decision makers from across the world.
Uniting all the community in tech.
2 days of inspiring keynotes.
It's really exciting of how we can work together.
Hands-on workshops.
The level of expertise here is outstanding.
2 exclusive networking events connecting ideas, people, and opportunities.
It's quite easy to get access to decision makers.
Learn, collaborate, innovate.
They share the best practices beside competitive situations.
And move the industry forward.
It's a family gathering.
Early bird tickets available until 31st January. Be part of the movement. Be part of the change. Join the prostep ivip Symposium 2026 and accelerate your impact.